Would you like to make up to 85% of affiliate commission for products that you don't have to create, you don't have to fulfill, you don't even need to take care of customer service? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that with Digistore24 totally free. Okay guys, today's video will be complete beginner's tutorial on how to do Digistore24 affiliate marketing totally free. It will cost you no money. And if you stay with me till the end of the video, I'm going to give you everything you need, all the resources, all the tools, everything you need. And if you are a beginner and you've never done anything like this in your life, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to set up everything step by step. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, for this method we are going to need a specific niche, a specific category. You cannot use this method for just any category that you want. And the reason for that is because we are actually going to drive our targeted traffic, highly targeted traffic. And that niche is, that category is make money online, jobs, resumes and stuff like that. And to find products in this category, you can use Clickbank, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon or any other affiliate network. But for this purpose, I'm going to use Digistore24. So I'm here on Digital24 Marketplace, and what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on Internet Marketing and e-business. And here you can find lots of quality products that you can actually promote. And what often happens is that you actually need to go on second, third, fourth, fifth page, and because there also you can find a good and quality products. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Now that looks like an interesting product and many people already do this, so why not make money, right? Here you can see I can make 18 euros, that is about $20 per sale. Cart conversion 2%, cancellation rate is 26%, that is pretty high, but for the purpose of this video, let's just say I wish to promote this product. So let me just check their sales page. I will open it in new tab just to check it out. And here you can see this is a quiz. Quizzes are always a good sales page because people like quizzes. People like to test their knowledge. People like to see, are they capable of doing something? And that is why they like quizzes, and that is why quizzes are always good landing page and good sales page. And let me also check their affiliate tools page because later I'm actually going to use some of these data from their affiliate tools page. Here you can see upsell flow, promo links, email swipes, banners, product images, and so on and so on. And we're actually going to need some of these stuff. So now I need to go back on Digistore24 and I need to click here on promote now to get my Digistore24 affiliate link. And I can simply Ctrl+C to copy my affiliate link and I will paste it in Notepad because I'm going to need it later. And now when I have my product and when I have my affiliate link, now I actually need to start promoting that product. I need to start driving free traffic. But let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that this website is getting 5 million visits every month. Now that is not much, but this is actually a highly targeted traffic, which means this website has a potential. And the website I'm talking about is called Jora.com. This is basically a job post and job search engine. And here you can see you can post jobs in different countries: Australia, Canada, France, United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, and so on and so on. And first thing you need to do, you need to register. Registration is absolutely free. But pay close attention, you cannot register by clicking here, okay, on any of these links here. You actually need to go on this link here, as you can see here. And for the country, here currently is United States, as you can see here, US. For Australia, it will be AU. For Canada, it will be CA. For United Kingdom, it will be UK, and so on. Simply change this part here, and you will register for a different country. So you need to click here on sign up now. And here you need to choose your job title. So let's just say, I don't know, PR, for example, job type, let's just say part-time. Here you need to add description, job description. So for that, I can simply go on their affiliate tools page. And for this purpose, I just copy this, okay? Just copy this, Ctrl+C and go back here. And I will paste that here. Click here on next. Okay, I need at least 200 characters. So I need something longer. So let me just scroll through this affiliate tools page to find something longer. Okay, I will just use one of their emails. And I will simply, okay, I will just highlight this and Ctrl+C, go back here, and I will paste it here. Of course, you will come up with something better. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. So I will delete this, okay? And then just click here on next. And here you need to add a business name. Just add a business name. You can come up with any business name you want. Country, Australia, United States, United Kingdom, doesn't matter. Business address. You need a business address in that country. Here you can see Australia. You don't know anyone in Australia, so how can you come with the Australian address? Well, you can simply go on this website here, bestrandoms.com, and here you can generate some random address in Australia in this case, or some other country, and you will also get a phone number. And when you go back here and just scroll here, you will also see that you will need a phone number. Now you don't need ABN, you don't need that. Business website, you can add it or you don't have to add it. Your role, business size, industry, add that, and then you will need to add a phone number later on the next page. Like I said, you can use this phone number here. It doesn't really matter. They do not check those stuff. So you can use this address and this phone number. And all you have to do after that is you need to confirm your email. Now, after you register and after you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard, and this is your dashboard. So what you need to do, you actually need to post a job. So just click here, post a job, and I'm going to post a job in Australia. But you can also post a job in Australia. Later you can register for United States, you can register later for United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, and so on, and post the same job, promote same product in those countries as well. And like I said, it is 100% free and it is highly targeted traffic. And here you can see I already have preloaded some fields because when I was registering, I need to fill these fields here. Job title, I'm PR, job type, part-time, and here I can actually go back on their affiliate tools page and I can simply click here. As you can see, job description. So let me just copy this, okay, Control C, job description. So I can simply highlight this, okay, and I can Control C, go back here and I can paste it here, okay, and I can delete country, just delete this, and okay, and I don't need this. And here you need to add an email. In your email, your personal email, it can be Gmail or Yahoo Mail, Bing Mail, doesn't really matter. Add your email. So when people contact you, you can actually send them your Digital24 affiliate link that you got. This is my Digital24 affiliate link. And you will send them that and they will actually come to the sales page, to this quiz, and they will take this quiz to see are they actually suitable for this kind of job. And if they get a positive result, and they probably will, 95% of people get a positive result on this quiz, they will decide to buy this product. And after they buy this product, you will earn an affiliate commission. You will earn 18 euros. That is about 20 US dollars for every person who actually could buy this product. And all you have to do now is just click here on next. And here you need to add country. I already have my address preloaded. Here you can see these fields. I can choose less than 5 people. Your role at the business. So I will choose I own the business for the example. And I can add a website. And here I can also add my affiliate link. But it is better if you actually send people to contact you, okay? But you can add your affiliate link, and even better, you can add your landing page or bridge page. Australian ABN, you don't need that. You don't need to add that. And then just click here on post job, and you will post a job on Jora.com. And like I said, this is a search engine, so people will actually find your ad for this job. And you can also go back, like I said, and register for a US market, for a New Zealand market, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, France, and so on, and make a same ad in those countries as well. And actually, what you can do is you can find many websites like Jora.com that are job search engines, that are job posting websites. And you need to do exactly the same thing. You need to make a post, you need to post an ad for the job in all of those job websites. You can find 5, 10, 20, 30 of those websites, and you need to make a post, same post, in all of those websites in order to get as much traffic, free traffic that you can, in order to get as much clicks as you can, in order to get as many sales as you can. And as we saw, we can earn $20 for every sale that we make. So if we make, let's just say 100 sales, that is $2,000 totally free. You don't have to invest any money. So this is how you make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing for free as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.